Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, charge it, and unlock. Open Settings and go straight to App Management. This pulls the system app list. Once done, enable the option to show all apps or view app info. You do this because hidden or disabled apps often remain listed but suppressed. Showing everything exposes them. Make sure to note package names that look unfamiliar, as those are often the hidden targets you'll investigate next. Now, sort or filter the app list by disabled, running, or recently used. This surfaces hidden candidates. You tap each suspicious entry and inspect permissions, storage, and battery usage to learn how it behaves and why it might be hidden. Once you see unusual rights, like SMS or overlay, mark that app. Make sure to expand system apps too. Some OEM tools hide under system package names, and understanding permissions explains whether removal is safe. Finish by removing or disabling the hidden app. You uninstall non-system apps or disable and force stop ones that run in background. For system apps you cannot remove, restrict permissions and hide the icon via your launcher. This is safer. Once done, reboot to ensure changes take effect. If something goes wrong, clear cache, re-enable the app, and restore a recent backup. That troubleshooting step resolves misbehavior without data loss, so keep back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.